This one look good with the chrome.
Why?
Yeah, you gotta be careful touching it. These some sick colorways. Powder coated parts up here. We're gonna assemble onto the Roadglide. We got all the new powder coated parts we just got hit. This is what we got powder coated. It's so good. The top trays with the bottom. What's going on, YouTube? We back at it. We out here Saturday and it's crazy weather right now, trying to stay afloat because I swear it is super cold right now, but we got so much work to do and so much to get done. So we're about to go ahead and head to Harley. I'm gonna go to Harley and try to get me some cans for our 2019 Roadglide. We finally got our legs back from the powder coat shop. So now it's time to put everything and reback assemble it. So that way I'm gonna get the fresh can so everything can stay assembled, get the wheels, and we'll be good to go. So stay tuned for that. We're gonna go ahead and also strip this joint down, get all the rest of the pieces off this bike so that thing could be on its way to second place to the winner. So stay tuned for that. And most certainly, we're gonna go on another ride on our 2015 Roadglide that's headed to Sacramento. So stay tuned for that. I tried to go live this Friday, but unfortunately we could not sell out, but it's all good. We still got time this week coming up. So get in to win it while you can. If you have not done it yet, get in to win to the Silver Bullet giveaway, y'all. We only got so many spots left. Right now we got first place 2015 Silverado paired together with the 2019 Roadglide right there. We about to go ahead and get going today. Second place, we got the 2015 Roadglide right here. We're about to get that thing on the way too. So get in and win it while you can, man. I'm telling y'all, we are sliding, not hiding. I see what's going on. We're getting all this work in, trying to make everything be 100%. So that's the whole reason why we're trying to get everything on the way right now. But it's good, man. We got nothing but space and opportunity in the garage. We about to get it on the way. We got this joint busting down, looking good. We got this bike ready to go. So we are about to be on the way, man. Stay tuned, y'all. Y'all see what's going on. We got everything over here powder coated, looking nice and clean. So stay tuned, man. Yeah, this is black. Yeah, I gotta check that one out too. This one look good with the chrome. That's crazy. Got the CVO. This is nuts. It's crazy. You like the gold one?
Yeah.
But you like the yellow one?
Yeah, I like the yellow one too. I like it.
It's nice.
And why?
Yeah, you gotta be careful touching it. It's nice. Oh, here we go. This is the one. Yeah, these some sick colorways.
Yeah.
Especially this one. Yeah. That's crazy. Appreciate you, man.
Yeah, no worries. Take care.
You too, mate. We got our cans. Yeah. So we finally just got back from having some breakfast and getting our parts. I needed this right here for my tripod because it broke. Shout out to my Texas winner. He blessed me with this tripod stand, but I need this top piece to hold my phone. We got some fresh black cans for our 2019 Roadglide. Oh. Let's hold on now. But yeah, we got the cans. We got everything else right here blacked out. So it's game time, baby. We're about to get this thing on the way. We got a lot of parts for this thing all boxed up. Today we're about to unravel everything and get everything on the way. We got the bars to put on, the legs to put on, all the back accessories. So stay tuned. We're most importantly waiting on that motor still. But for the meantime, between time, we're about to get everything on the way to get this thing to the finish line. So understand that if you in to win it, I'm trying right now to get this thing on the way. I'm telling y'all, we are on the way to success, man. We just got to keep going, staying consistent and staying at it. So we're about to get to it today, man. y'all this because I'm so tired of hammering. I'm going through hell because this time lapse don't show y'all how much work it is. But let this be a reason for y'all to be careful buying bikes from Copart. You can get them, just be careful on that damage, you know? Because you don't want to have to be like me doing all this. Alright, so we got some work done so far. We went ahead and took the gas tank off. I took the side panels off. I took the rear fender with the rear support brackets and all that good stuff. So we got everything finally stripped back here. The only real difficult problem we are dealing with is these crazy legs right here. The reason why I need these off, Monday when I go back to LA, I want to take these to the powder coat shop. Those are good. The actual tubes itself are bad. Y'all see that crazy bend right there? So right now we got one of them off. We're trying to get this one off. The problem with this is I was hammering and getting super tired, about to realize I got this bend. So y'all know when you bend something, it's not going to go in and out of the perfect space as it came in. So it's a little compressed right here. So I think I'm gonna have to probably use my my dad's grinder and grind it and cut it to get this off. But I don't know because I don't know the inside of this. I know it got them springs and all that. So what I'm thinking is I can go ahead and take this bottom slider off, take the fluid out, and hammer it up. I don't know how that'll work, but that's what I'm thinking. I just want to get this off of here and figure it out. But then again, too, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I can take the slider off, and if I do buy a new triple tree right here, I can just leave this stuck. I don't care. As long as I get this off, that's all I need. I'm gonna buy these new, I think, and get a fresh one. I think I already have one to be real. I think I really do already have a whole set for this year bike from a previous bike. I parted out and kept the extra parts from Copart. So that might be the move for this thing. But y'all see what's going on, man. We got everything on the way. I'm trying to get this paint set to Antonio ASAP. I'm waiting on these fairing and bags I should have by this week coming up. So we're gonna drop this off to Antonio and have that on the way. Stay tuned for that. Y'all know my rim guy who be making my rims be taking a long time. So we have the custom rims going on our first place bike right here. The second place bike, we're gonna go ahead and probably put the other Enforcers of 21 and powder coat these. I'm gonna either do powder coated black or I'm gonna get some chrome. I have another set of rims that's going on here, but I only have one done so far. He has to still make the back rim, and I know that's gonna take some time. That's the only reason why I'm not gonna put them on here. So understand that. The next bike we have in the next giveaway after the Silver Bullet, I'm gonna have another set of custom rims on there looking just as good. So stay tuned, man. We're gonna have it sliding, not hiding. You already know what's going on. We're trying to get everything in here complete and on the way. Just take a little bit of time, but you know how it is, man. We gotta just stay consistent. So I'm about to get back to it, man. Yes, sir, man. So that's a wrap. I'm not gonna lie to you. I want to do way more and get some work done on the Silver Bullet. But I'm not gonna lie, I had to do exactly what I just did to prepare myself to do that, because I had all the parts for this bike in about 3 to 4 different boxes, and it sounds cool, but I cannot stand trying to put something together with parts here, there. It's a headache, especially when you got particular bolts and all type of stuff that you really need. So that's why we did that. So right now, I went ahead and cleared the whole garage. I got that bike bust down. I'm gonna take the leg and triple tree off later tomorrow. But we got everything to the side. Like I said, for the second place, we just waiting on the paint set. Then we're gonna have this thing off to the winter. We're gonna wire the bars and be good to go. We got this thing ready to go to Sacramento. And we got the Silver Bullet Roadglide right here, ready to get assembled. I'm still waiting on the motor. It's still going to ride, but in the meantime, between time, I can go ahead and finish getting everything else going and complete. That's why I got the paint set right here. The last pieces, I had to switch this because I didn't even realize this part was broke. So, I have to switch that. I got another one I'm about to go put onto there, get that complete. I have to bring my, I don't even know the name right now. My mind is racing. I have to bring this back in the garage because I had parts everywhere. Be careful. I have parts everywhere. So now with this in here, we got everything where it needs to be. We got all the powder coated parts up here. We're going to assemble onto the Roadglide. We got all the new powder coated parts we just got hit. This is what we got powder coated. This looks so good. The top trays with the bottom, it all go all complete together. So we got all the powder coated stuff up here. We're gonna assemble on the bike. We got all the other powder coated parts right here. We just got powder coated. I still want to take a few pieces like the outer primary, and a few other little pieces down there like the floorboards, but there's a few other things. I'm glad I did this because I have to go buy this snapped off due to the inner primary having that damage. I have to get that in a whole assembly, like right here. We got to get this whole inside primary for this one because the other one was cracked. But the good thing about that is we're gonna powder coat that when we do get it, so it could be fresh and black and clean, just how this one is looking, even though it's not powder coated, but you can see the image of that. So that's the whole thing about that. But we got everything on the way, man. Like I said, we're gonna get back to this motor and getting that thing assembled, get the new housing. But like I said, for the meantime, between time, we back organized. We got everything back on track. So tomorrow, stay tuned for that, y'all. We're gonna go ahead and wire the bars up, assemble all the last pieces, have it back as a roller and complete. Then Monday, we should be getting our rims for the bike and everything else. So we just wait on the motor. So understand that we're trying to get everything done as fast as possible. So I'm trying to get everything on the way and do what I gotta do because it's game time, crunch time. Bike season is approaching. All the events is about to be coming back to back. So I'm trying to get y'all out here sliding high for all the ones supporting your boy Dre and entering the win, man. Because I'm telling you, it could be you next with a little bit of support. You can have one of these bikes and the trucks or the bike by itself getting delivered to your door, man. It's all on you and what you want to do. But like I said, I appreciate y'all for watching and tapping in with your boy. Make sure y'all enter the win to the Silver Bullet giveaway, y'all. We are almost sold out. We sliding, not high.